So you might guess that having predicted, the next thing is we're going to go visual, right? Okay, so please take your sheet of paper and turn it over. The big one. There will be no squares. Thank you. So, I know that they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Now, I write for a living, so I don't like to go along with that, but I do know that pictures are really powerful. But not every picture is a good picture. So a good picture about data has an explicit title. It tells me what data I'm looking at, what grade level, the school name. That's for those of you who don't realize that, when the principal talks about the data and he's at the principal meeting and they're passing around all the pieces of paper, that if you don't have the school name, they have all of a sudden no idea which one it is. Clear labels make the most important elements the most dominant in the display. So you're keeping it simple. I liked these. I was looking for examples of good visuals, and I found some crazy person who had graphed 100 movies. Apparently they had the summer off. So I picked these too. So somebody graphed Apollo 13. So I love this. We were not okay. So we're okay in the beginning. Now we're not okay. Houston, we have a problem. This is the Wicked Witch of the West, okay? Stuff that she needs to get. What I have, nothing. What I will get, my pretty, and your little dog Toto too. And I thought, all right, if I can do a whole movie in these tiny graphs, then we can do this here. Another thing is that in Florida we do a lot of looking at student cohorts, and so it's really important to say, am I comparing this year's fourth graders and last year's fourth graders, or am I comparing last year's third graders to this year's fourth graders to this year's fifth graders? Just a note. So what I would like for you to do, you have several pieces of data that are clipped together. I'd like you to take the one that's actually on the bottom. It should look devastatingly familiar. And this is real kid data. As you can see, I have blacked out identifying information. This is from a district that will remain nameless, but to whom I am very grateful. What I would like you to do at your table, you have 5 minutes. I want you to look at this data and go visual. Graph it, chart it, whatever it is that appeals to you. Big, colorful, clear.